Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did my spiritual bath. So the first one that I'm using is the Lavender Bath Epsom salt. I was struggling with this a little bit because they were like clumped up. So as I'm showing you the Lavender Epsom salt, then I'm going to be using the pink Himalayan salt. So I'm going to be putting down in the description box with all of these items mean. My spiritual bath, I was mostly focusing on my root chakra. So the next one I'm going to be using the Dr. Teal's eucalyptus and peppermint oil. And then I'm going to be going in with the Dr. Teal's lavender oil. Y'all, my skin felt so good when I came out the bath. Oh yes. So I'm going to be using this Florida water, which is basically like liquid sage, pretty much. So this oil is for my root chakra because I was focusing mostly on unblocking, and I did a couple, a lot of drops. Then I'm going to be adding this yellow candle. I had a bunch of candles, and then I have the lover's candle, which is really good for, setting intentions for love and relationships and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm going to be putting in the description box with what all of these meant. I was mostly focused on my root chakra because when your root chakra is blocked, everything else is. So I've been a lot off balance, and I did this on a full moon. So just to recharge my body and recharge everything, just pretty much a night of catering to myself. This crystal is what I usually set new crystals on, to put positive energy, and then I have my pendulum, put positive energy and everything. So I'm fast forwarding a little bit with the flowers because it's just me picking the flowers. Like I was saying, that big white crystal, I put new crystals on there to pull in positive energy and take out whatever negative energy because, other people touched it probably. My pendulum is something that connects to me. I usually keep it in my car because it's amethyst. Amethyst is my color. It's connected to me, just to keep me safe and protection, stuff like that. So the different flowers that I'm using, pretty much for me, it was like to make it look pretty. I used different colors. The red, of course, was for my root chakra. Like I said, I'll put in the description box what each flower meant. You don't have to do your spiritual bath exactly like how I did mine. Mine was just solely focused on my root chakra and unblocking and everything, just to rebalance myself. And if y'all know anything about the root chakra, it's helping you feel balanced, centered, grounded, secure, safe. You think rational and stuff like that. And I've been having a real issue with that for like the past year. So this is just me trying to spread out the flowers and make it look all cute and whatnot, make it look all pretty. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram if y'all want to see the finished product. So now I'm just setting the mood, pretty much setting my intentions. I got that crystal from Five Below. It lights up, actually. You just plug it in. Of course, I need my wine. That wine was actually really good. It's called Relaxed. I got it from Walmart, and boy did I relax, because I drank half of that bottle the night before and was wine drunk. So this candle is for luck and financial fertility and everything like that. I got those from, I think, H-E-B. If you're in Texas, you know what H-E-B is. But this is just me while I was setting up my spiritual bath, I was listening to an affirmation for your root chakra, which is I am. So I am positive, I am light, I am whole, I am loved, I am secure. You know, just positive things about myself. And I'm lighting these incense. This incense I got from Walmart, actually. My mom said it smelled like marijuana. I was like, I hope so. It say relax on it. So this is just me, you know, trying to make everything all perfect and cute and whatnot. I actually did not end up keeping that rock on there. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching how I do my spiritual bath. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.